Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Acura MDX steering wheel position. First, locate the adjustment lever, typically found beneath the steering column. Pull this lever down firmly to unlock the steering wheel. Once unlocked, you can easily move the wheel up, down, in, or out to your preferred setting. Remember to always secure it properly before driving for safety and comfort. Finding your optimal driving position is crucial for both comfort and control. Start by adjusting your seat so you can comfortably reach the pedals and all dashboard controls. Then, adjust the steering wheel so you maintain a slight bend in your elbows when your hands are on the wheel. This setup helps reduce fatigue on longer drives and improves your reaction time. Proper steering wheel adjustment significantly enhances your driving safety and overall comfort. It helps reduce strain on your shoulders and back, preventing fatigue during long journeys. Crucially, ensure there's at least 10 inches between your chest and the steering wheel's airbag for optimal safety. Always firmly lock the steering wheel in place after making any adjustments. Sometimes, the steering wheel might feel a bit loose after adjustment. If so, simply recheck that the locking lever is fully engaged. For any specific details unique to your MDX model, always consult your vehicle's owner's manual. And hey, if you're looking to improve your financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.